CATS requested over here on Investors Hangout. Taking a look at it right now. Currently traded at $5.02, 502. That would be 61,000 shares traded so far today, for today, live time, again, at 11:40 a.m. Eastern. That's what we're looking at right now, off a heavy volume day on that big drop. 426 with 820,000 shares traded, falling through the support line up there at the 20-day. Skipped the 30 and went straight down. So obviously there was a reason for that, and we'll hopefully find out what that was here shortly. So the low is going to be 460, so you do have a support down there at that 460 mark as well. Off of the 502, you guys see what's going on with the Bollinger Band stretch. You guys get completely outside, coming back into it. From the looks of it, my personal opinion, I think that it's going to start stabilizing here around this area between the 5 and the 460. Definitely wanting to see the 460 hold. You guys do have that support right now at that 5, and then the 460 followed up. That 460 is going to be a must hold in my personal opinion, because if that doesn't, $4 rather, could follow off of that. There isn't too much below that, but on the bright side of things, if things turn around here and the buying pressure picks back up, you guys aren't going to have too much of stuff to worry about between the $5 and the 675, especially, or 670. We'll go with 670. You guys break through that $6 at 670 would be next. But remember, when they drop down this fast, they could rebound just as quick. That's why you get a lot of these people that watch these bottom bouncers. But it all depends. Hopefully that just stabilizes out in this area. Again, first time for us taking a look at this. I'd like to see what do you have to add? Do you have any idea why this one dropped off?
When did it drop? So I wasn't paying attention to you because I was reading up on the company. Sorry.
426.
426. I mean, on April 25th, Catasys announces a 15 million public offering and NASDAQ listing. So the day before they announced that. Let's see what it was for, how much. All right, so Catasys Incorporated, a provider of proprietary predictive analytics and integrated treatment solutions to health plans, on April 25th, announced the pricing and underwriting public offering of 3,125,000 shares of common stock at a public offering of $4.80 per share. And what was it traded at on that day?
$10.
Sometimes affects it. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that
Way to
pretty
drop.
much did it right there. That's what happened. So they did that right there, and then it dropped it. All right, so that was that. But these guys, I'm seeing on the 26th, they had another press release. It was Catasys to present at Red Chip's Global Online Conference on April 27th. So yesterday they were on there. Yesterday they did a presentation on redchip.com. So there's a live Q&A session will follow the investor presentation. So that's there for people. If you go up and pull up that April 26th press release, you'll see the link to it and everything else. So you can go and probably hear from that, because it's Taryn Pelzer, the chairman of the board and chief executive officer, presented yesterday, and it was at 3 p.m. All right, and then let's see. And then also the other press release these guys have is Catasys to participate in Joseph Gunner's Pioneer 2017 conference on May 2nd. So all these press releases are right there at your fingertips. And then if you want to keep doing more due diligence on this company, I mean, just go right over to that CATS board, CATS, and you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that Catasys Incorporated board.
All right, and that's what we're looking at right here with the chart. Again, at the $5.02. Resistance is going to be at that 6 and 670. Support at 5 and 460. Watch for a bounce here. If buying picks up, again, break through that $6. 670 could come quick, and you guys could rally back up. Even through that, right here in that range, you guys are getting very close to that 515 mark as well. So I would watch that moving forward with CATS. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'd appreciate it, and share this video. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will cover it. Join us for our next live show. You can do so at investorshangout.com/live.